In this video, I am going to show you how you can install the n8n in your Windows computer through locally. Okay, so to do this, you are going to use Node.js, which I have already installed. If you like do cmd and like do node dash dash version, and as you can see, I have version 20.70 installed. So I am going to run an npm package. So it's n8 npm, and as you can see, this is the package that you will need. So I am going to install it. Actually, I'm going to install it globally. Okay, so dash g, and now it will take some time, but let's just wait. Now that we have installed, let's just check if it is working or not. So I'm going to type n8n and let's see what happens. I do feel like I have got some error, but let's just check what happens. Okay, as you can see that it is now running. To open in your browser, just press the O and it will start working, and it is asking me to email and my name and all that. So I'm going to like just do hi@hi.com and b dot, just give password and then next. So just I'm going to like do write anything and just like follow. Send me a free license key. Okay, I don't want a license key. I'm going to use it locally. So as you can see that it is totally installed and up and running. So yeah, this was it. This was a very quick tutorial. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and this is all. Thank you for watching.